Let's generate a Flux image using the LoRa Turbo Detailer, which will enhance the details in the generated image. Now, let's examine the generated image. It appears detailed but overly so, making it look artificial. The skin resembles that of a plastic doll, and the hair also doesn't look realistic. For the refiner model, let's select the Flux Refiner model. I will provide the download link in the description. Using the Image Compare node, let's compare the two images. The original Flux image looks too sharp and unnatural. However, with the Flux Refiner, the image appears softer yet crisp. Take a look at the eyes and lips. Which one looks better? The Flux image resembles a doll, but with the Refiner, it looks softer and more realistic. Now, let's examine the hair. The Flux generated hair lacks detail, whereas the Refiner enhances the hair, making it more detailed. The subsurface scattering on the lips also looks better with the Refiner. I will provide the workflow in the description. Look at the Flux image. The lips is too red and unrealistic. The Refiner looks soft and real. This is a Refiner not hires upscale, which is a two different thing. You will not get good results if you think this is high-res upscale. It just fixed the existing Flux image to a realistic soft, diffused look. I will say it again for those who will complain in the comments. This is not high-res upscale workflow to get detailed image. This is just like a filter of Photoshop for Flux sharp images.